So hi friends, in this video I'll tell you the best thumbnail maker, logo maker, and you can edit your YouTube videos. If you want to do photos, documents, you can do all in this website. It's canva.com. It has also a app for mobile and a software for PCs, so it's very easy to use. So I will tell you what all features are in Canva. So as you can see, there are many features. You can make many things: Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, presentations, videos, many things. These are the thumbnails I have made for my video. You can make calendars, Christmas wishes, cards, and many more. So first, to make um, in thing, you can select custom dimensions if you want. So if you want to make a thumbnail, you can just search here thumbnail, and YouTube thumbnail will there are many thumbnail templates and video templates for every topic. So it's very nice feature, and it's half free, and many things are free in it and many things are paid. So you can purchase VIP of Canva to get the paid features. So if you want to create a blank thumbnail, you can click here. So if you want to take any thumbnail and any template and edit it, you can take any one of them. So if you take a blank uh, template, it will show like this. In the PC software, it's like the same. So first, this is the editor in Canva. So you can here try Canva Pro. So if you want to make a thumbnail, you can make a thumbnail here. You can either the things called elements, so you can search for anything. So for like, if you search for laptop, you can get pictures of laptop which are like uh, clip art in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. So it's very useful. I use it for my videos. So you can just click and it will come here, or you can just drag and drop it there. And there are many clip elements here, and you can get stock images, stock videos, music, background, and templates, anything like that. um, in backgrounds, there are many backgrounds. You can just search for what do you want. So you can, as you can see, you can the elements are very useful. I use them for making my thumbnails. So you can edit many things in Canva. So I'll go show you videos. So there are many templates for social media, business, marketing, education, trending, personal, and many things. You can add invite card or a Christmas card and many things like that. And there are also all sorts of things you can do with Canva. You can make calendars. You can make for documents, Facebook posts, videos, YouTube channel ads, YouTube intros, YouTube outros, animated social media, and many things. So Canva is very useful to make thumbnails and logos. I use Canva for making my thumbnails and logos. So Canva is very um, useful website or software to use. So I'll give the link of Canva in the description. So thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe.